Hey everybody, this is JD Bay from Hoppe Industries down here in Troop, Texas. Excited to bring you our newest product to add to the Hoppe off-road line, our newest audio shade right here for the Honda Pioneer 1006. Now, we've already had minis out for a long time for several Honda products. We have them for the Honda Talons 2 and 4 door. We have the Honda Pioneers 3, 5, and 6 for all our minis. And on the audio shade, we already have them for the Honda Talon 2 door, 4 door coming. And we have them for the Honda Pioneer 1005, and now we have them for the Honda Pioneer 1006. As always, our audio shades always come with front and rear light bars, you can see. It comes with all kicker audio components from head units to speakers to amps. And we've got another exciting option that we're going to add. So I'm going to show you from the inside what those look like. All right, so here we are inside the Honda Pioneer 1006 up close and personally you can kind of see. So I'm 6'1", about 200 pounds. Got plenty of room above my head. I'm sitting up here in the seat, not even sitting in the position, but you can see there's plenty of room. This Honda Pioneer 1006 is a big unit, and it's a big roof as well. We mimic kind of the factory settings of the roof and the shape here. We digitize and scan in all the components of it. And then, so the factory windshield will work with it, just for all you Pioneer 1006 owners. The factory windshield works, even the one that has a movement on it. It'll slide down and up and under, and it should fit the gasket up under here. All the side curtains you can see fit and everything with it. And most of the stock features, any of the options from the factory, they work. Most common aftermarket ones work. I can't say about every one, but traditionally that we don't have a lot of problems or calls about any of it because we work real hard to fit with the OEM settings. So here we are in the Honda Pioneer 1006. As always, kicker audio power is everywhere. Now this is our big roof with the 82. So it comes with a kicker KMC2 head unit. I'm going to turn the ignition on. And so you'll see it power up. And so not only does it have Bluetooth, so you can stream your favorite music, as AM, FM as well. So those of you guys out on the ranches and farms and stuff and don't want to always just stream music and you just want to play it, you'll have that as an option as well. So this one has 8 6.5 inch. So you got 2 up here, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then it has 2 10-inch kicker Comp RT subs as well. So it also comes with a 300 watt and a 500 watt amp, 300 watt 4-channel amp for the highs. It's underneath this cover plate. And we have one 500 watt 2-channel amp for the subs, and it's also under this cover plate. So it's a sealed unit. There's a little venting around the amp plate. The 6.5 move just enough air to keep the amps cool for us, but all the packaging and fitment, harnesses, relays, and fuses, everything's very accessible. It's all right here, so you can just look under there. Now, normally in all of our roofs with kicker audio power, front and rear light bars, and we have the illuminated light switch panel right here. And you can just turn on at the touch of a button for everything. But this one, we've had a lot of people ask for LED lights in the speakers. In order to not compromise our sound and continue to give you that awesome kicker quality that you've come to know and expect from all of our Hoppe products on our off-road lines, we added the kicker LED light rings on this. And so these are really cool. It comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust it however you want. And again, all you have to do is turn the light switch right here. So boom, and there you go. And these lights are very bright, and that's broad daylight, mid-afternoon here on a Texas midweek day. And so when you have the remote, you can adjust it. So you can turn the intensity down. You can turn them down low. You can change the color. You can see it. And now they'll move faster. You can change the mode. You can turn them all solid, one color. You can turn them down. So there's a blue, for instance. So then you can turn down right here. You can see I can dim them down. So they're not always just glaring, because at night, these are very bright. So we wanted to give you some freedom to be able to adjust the intensity of it, because, I mean, when they're really cranked, they're bright. You can turn them all the way back up. So it's midday, and you can kind of see them. You can make them move. You can turn down the speed. You can do a lot of different options. As always, with all of our Hoppe products, our audio shades and our minis, you get that awesome kicker quality sound. Fit finish, it fits on the units great, drops right on, installs quickly. We take it under an hour. A couple buddies slide it over, and then just set it down. You got a cord, you screw it in right here, run it down, 2 to the battery, 1 to the ignition source on the bus bar in the front. So the head unit works on and off with the ignition, as do the RGB lights. So if you turn on the ignition or on and off, they're there. It has a relay, so it won't overload the circuit, so it gives you real quality without having to worry about it draining on your batteries and stuff. There's even an internal battery, even in the head unit, to hold its own internal settings. It has a full EQ that allows you to adjust the sound exactly what you want. Again, rock, country, rap, doesn't matter what you want to listen to, you can adjust it. Our sub cavities are designed to give the optimum sound. All of our audio shades will come with the standard RGB lights that we've always offered in some of our other videos and pictures and when you see online. But we're just now going to launch a new feature to add. And you can add these light rings for any of our roofs when you order them. It's just an add-on feature and a little bit additional cost. And we will add these to you, whether it's a 2-door, 4-door, and whether it's 4 speakers all the way up to 82 here on this big unit. We listen to what our customers want. We know a lot of people have been asking for this, and so we're proud to include it. We put it on our Razor Pro launch that we just not too long ago, and then in the future, this will always be an option. So we'll be putting out some more videos and show it in darkness so you can kind of see some more. Like us, follow Facebook, Instagram, and then on our website, you can join our newsletter. So please go sign up, and then that'll keep you on the leading edge of when all of our new products launch. We're going to be launching several new ones between now and early spring, some that you would expect and some you're not going to have expected. And so we're pretty excited about what we have in store for you guys. Just going to continue to launch all the time and just establish more and more of ourselves out here. It's easy to find our products. You can go to hoppeindustries.com. You can buy the product right there. We have several partners. You can go through our motor trike dealer network. Also go to Parts Unlimited. Find your closest dealer there. You can go to WPS, find the Western Power Sports dealer as well. And so there's lots of ways to get our audio shades. Go to your dealers. Go ask them to carry Hoppe product lines. There's more and more dealers each and every day. So make sure you go to them, tell me you want to hear it, because no matter what I tell you in this video, no matter what I play for music, you're not going to be able to hear the depth of our sound and what separates us versus everyone else. And that's when you hear it in person and you get to hear the true depth of the sound, the subs, and how the highs sound and all of what we actually give you here. So please continue to watch. And like I said, we're always passionate about this industry. We love doing what we do. We have a lot of fun. And we're getting to do more and more, and we're going to be at more events. So continue to watch, follow us, check us out where we're going to be. And thanks for watching.